So I usually like reporting shit after, a little bit like a day after something happens, because what happens is you have like people like DJ Ghost and DJ Academics reporting stuff right away because they want to be the first to report it. But then they don't really get all the details, so then you report something that's false. And then you got to go back and say, oh, well, check this out. Then they come with another video that's saying, well, this is what really happened. So really, motherfuckers be for dangling people for 2 videos lying and shit. I don't want to fandangle y'all with 2 videos lying. So this is the story that would happen. The first story is somebody ran up, shot, boom, shot up the car or whatnot, or shot, and his girlfriend got shot, and the bodyguard ran him down and killed him. That was the first story. The real story is there was that Rolling Loud, and NBA Youngboy's entourage got into it with T Grizzly's entourage. Words exchanged back and forth, bullets exchanged back and forth, and a 5-year-old girl ended up getting grazed, and a 43-year-old man ended up dying in the middle of the crossfire. I don't know if NBA Youngboy is getting arrested. His bodyguard did it. I don't know if his bodyguard can explain to him what happened. I don't know if he's getting charged with the crime. All I know is that, it's a bad situation. The problem with NBA Youngboy is he's just too good of a rapper. He's a real good rapper, and people be hating. You know what I mean? People be hating, and he's always getting into it with somebody, you know what I mean? Because, like, when you're good at rapping, some people want to take you down. He's a good rapper. He has great delivery. Stage presence, needs to work on that a little bit more. But ain't too many rappers nowadays really got great stage presence. So, you know what I'm saying? They just take people's money and go up there and let the song play and just rap over the song. That, to me, that's garbage. That is fucking garbage to me, to get up there and let the song play and you just rap over the song and you don't even try to rap the lyrics. You're trash. But that's what the performances are nowadays. We'll just take niggas' money. Go ahead, yeah, enjoy yourself. We'll take your money. But other than that, like, NBA Youngboy, man, like, I just feel like people be hating on him, man. Like, every time I turn around, somebody want to run up on him, want to fight him, want to shoot him. I know he rapped that gangster killer shit, but I mean, goddamn, can a nigga live? Nigga, every time you turn around, this nigga getting locked up for behind something because someone always trying to test him and everything. But I guess that's what comes with the energy of the music you bring. But yeah, so that's what happened, man. That's the story right there, and uh. I don't know how it's looking for NBA Youngboy right now. I can't really tell you, but you know, I know his girlfriend got shot. I hope she's okay. My condolences to the 43-year-old man that got killed in the crossfire. It sucks.